Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back here. And today is 2022, 2nd of December, right? So over here, right? So we are coming in here. Hi Marcus, Bradley, Hubert, Aiden. Well, thank you for coming back, Team Flora. Yes, congratulations, Bradley, Flora. Yeah, all right. Nice to see you. Hi, Carol. Yep, right. Preparing my dinner. That's early. Okay, yeah, all right. Yeah, right now in Melbourne. Yeah, I think in Melbourne, yes. Okay, that should be the time to prepare for dinner. Okay, that's very early for me. Well, okay, guys. In this session over here, Forex Trading Plan, I'm going to plan out what are we going to trade. Okay, later on, live trading session 2 hours later. Okay, so if you are keen to join us, okay, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we can join in the next 2 hours. Okay, next 2 hours. Yeah, I will be coming back here to go for the live trading. All right. Okay, so yep, we are coming into the December. Yep, and today is Friday. Yep, Friday. What is the Friday? Okay, Friday is a PP day, right? Profits preservation day. Okay, so yep, all right. So today we are going to have a non-farm payroll. Okay, so the non-farm today. All right, so try to avoid trading during the non-farm period. Okay, yeah, and we can see there will be more opportunity after the non-farm. All right, so probably the next 1 hour after. Okay, or maybe next week. Okay, all right. So then we will come back again. All right. Okay, so yep, let's take a look. All right, and let's see. Hi January, nice to see you here. 你好，你好，在台湾好吗？ Okay, yep. All right. So yeah, we are going to take a look at what is that. We are going to take a look at what is going to happen there, right? So yep, and let's see. Okay. Then AUDJPY. Okay, let's take a look at MT4 with AUDJPY. All right, AUDJPY. Well, AUDJPY over here tentatively, there isn't any sign of selling, so we are still on the buy side. Okay, so we have been going in the bull for the past 1 whole week. That is very more than a month. Okay, so I think it's still very good. Okay, so the bull is still running, so I think it's still good. Okay, so we quickly move since there's no selling opportunity for me. All right, so Aussie franc, and again, Aussie franc is still hovering in this area here. So it seems like there's a consolidation here. So likely to see that there's going to boom up. Okay, so take note of this. All right, so for Aussie yen, yeah, let's see Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen tentatively looking out for selling in the transition zone. So what do I mean by the transition? It's from the bull turning down into the bear. So we are going to look out for the selling. Okay, look out for the selling. So, and in a way, all right, over here, okay, in a way, this part here, okay, we are going to look out for this area here, whereby now looking into this, right? Okay, so support level is here, which has already broken, and the next support level likely at this area. Right, so this area. So, and we can see that in this area here, okay, can see that this area, we can actually take note because there's a very good space down there. Okay, then this point here, just take note that we can take a look at the selling here for about 60 pips there. So the resistance over at this point here, as we can see, right? So take note of this area. If this area is going to retest and is going to sell down, then we will be taking a chance. We'll be taking a good grab for this Aussie yen. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to put this Aussie yen into watch list. All right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Aussie yen. Okay. Yes, January. Yep， 很快就会见到老师。哦， Okay, yep, alright. 小 see you there， 很快啊，很快要见面了哈。Okay, right. So Aussie Kiwi, Aussie Kiwi, yep. Aussie Kiwi over here. Okay, so we are going to take a look Aussie Kiwi. So Aussie Kiwi, the general trend now we are into the market structure of a downward trend. So that is very good. So we are going to look out for selling. So where are we looking out for selling? And over at this point here, all right. This area here, okay, we have a resistance, but the resistance is very high up there, and support is actually quite near. Okay, we still have about 2 pips. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have about within the 62 pips, we still have 30 pips to go. Okay, right, another 30 pips to go. So Aussie Kiwi, yes, we can still pay attention to that. Okay, Aussie Kiwi, yep, all right. Aussie dollar, right? Aussie dollar over here, right? So from this Aussie dollar, we can see that at this point of time, we are still moving towards the north. We are still in the bull. So will there be a chance to grab some profits for selling? As we can see that now tentatively we are still on the resistance, and will there be a chance that it will slip off to get some support before it continue to run? Okay, that may be possible. That can be possible over there. All right, so let's see if we can work out on this area here. All right, so there's one area here that we can take note. Okay, so yeah, for Aussie dollar, then maybe there's a chance, but I'm not going to put this in my watch list. Okay, later on we can come back and take a look. Right, Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie. For Euro Aussie, we are still hovering around in this area here, so it hasn't shown me a very clear direction. So I would prefer to skip this. All right, EURCAD. How about EURCAD? Well, EURCAD over at this point here, EURCAD. Okay. EURCAD, we are still in the bull, so running very strongly towards the buy. Okay, so buyers can take note, but sellers have to stay away. Alright, so for Euro Yen, let's take a look at Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen over here, we are into now in the whole general trend. It seems like we are actually moving as a bull, correct? We are moving as a bull. So, but the thing is that over here, for this Euro Yen, we are into the transition area whereby it's going to break below the support and go into the bear. Okay, so we still have quite a fair bit to go, like say, well, 86 pips to go. So let's see if there's any resistance here or support over here. All right, like okay, so here. Okay, yeah, this part here. So we still have quite a fair bit to go over here, 60 pips to go. Yeah, for Euro Yen, I think this is quite good. We can put this into our watch list. Okay, so next to go. Well, Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi, we are still in the bear. Are we still going for the selling today? Okay, so Euro Kiwi yesterday has a good selling down, and over here now we are continuing the selling once again. The support has no change. Okay, so Euro Kiwi, we can put this into our watch list. Right, hi CK, 你好. All right, Euro dollar. Yes, Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar over here. Okay. Okay, for Euro dollar, let's take a look. For Euro dollar over here, we are tentatively still looking for buy. Okay, as we can see, the bear has actually come down, and after that, the bear has came down over here and started to swing and started to go for a buy. right? The structure of the bull. Yeah. So now currently we can see that the buying is still ongoing. So buyers can take notes, but sellers, we have to stay away unless it's looking for a support. Then we will take a chance to grab some profit. Okay, but that will be anti-trend trading. So let's see how it goes. All right. IBK Media, nice to see you here. Thank you for coming back. Right. So over at this point here, Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie. Yeah, Pound Aussie over here. Let's take a look. Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie over here, tentatively, okay, you can see in the general trend, we are actually going in the bear. After the bear got rejected and it went up to as a bull. So tentatively, it's still moving nicely as a bull over this point, okay. So as we can see, once it touches this area here, the resistance, okay, so the resistance is still there. It's still hovering in the area here. So it seems like it's a very big consolidation over at this point. So if we go down to the H4, we can see that, you know, this whole area, you can see it is actually consolidating, and now over here really has a chance to go for a selling. Well, it looks like there's a good chance for Pound Aussie for selling, okay, because I see that the resistance up there has been tested once, okay, and now it got rejected. After the rejections came down, okay, now we are going to look out for support. So where's the support? The support is no change, has no change, it's still right down there. So along the way, perhaps there may be some small support that we need to take note, okay, right? So in this case here, all right, and we can see, and this point here, okay, this is one that we can take a look. The support here, it may have some turbulence along the way, right, that you can pay attention to, just in case it came down halfway and it's going to jump out there. All right, okay, so we will see a situation later on, okay, and during the live session to see what is going on. All right, okay, so I'm gonna put this Pound Aussie into my watch list. Okay, right, yeah, yes, I like you live, but the another one guy, okay, hi, thank you for coming in. I'm sorry, you're on Facebook, I cannot see your name, or if possible, you can just hop into my YouTube channel. All right, thank you so much. All right, okay, so Pound CAD, let's take a look. Pound CAD, okay, Pound CAD over here. All right, so Pound CAD, as we can see, Pound CAD over here is still moving towards the north. Okay, we are still respecting the moving support, and we are still in the bull. So buyers can take note, but sellers, we have to stay away for a while. Okay, since we are testing on this resistance, where it actually create another round of selling. Well, if there's another round of selling, where will be the support level as we are going? Right. So as we can see, okay, the nearest one, I would say that a very concrete support will be here. Okay, over here. So we should see a very good space out here, right, in this area. However, unless there's a selling structure, then this will be good. Okay, right, we have a good space of 700 pips. Well, but then take a look lower down the time frame. Yeah, this is a concrete one, but in between there's still some support, so we need to focus as time goes by, or as it's going in, then we need to take note, okay, in this area here. So tentatively a 340 pips down there is still valid. So then we'll take a look. If there's a selling structure, our CAD will be one that we can actually start to take note to sell. Okay. So for now, all right, for CAD, it looks very good. Okay. And but we just need to see if there's any selling structure coming in, then we will be able to start selling from there. Okay. But to what I see over here, there will be a good chance. Okay, there will be a good chance. So selling down will be maybe second half of the day, or maybe to the next week. All right. Okay. Hi. Good afternoon. 168. Nice to see you here. Thank you for coming in. All right. So tentatively, CAD, we can pay attention to it. Okay. I'm going to put this CAD, okay, into my watch list. Okay, and with an asterisk Okay, so that we know that we are actually monitoring this. Okay, so pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc over here. Well, pound franc tentatively we are looking out for a buy. As we can see, the market structure here. Okay, the market structure has already shown the buying there. But then again, it seems like the buying started to skim off. Okay, from the resistance. Okay, so where is it? So let's take a look. You can see it tested the highs here. Okay, so into this area. Alright, so for now, okay, by looking at this, like the resistance is coming in today to push for a sell. This selling for this pound franc may be only a short term. Okay, maybe only a short term. So do take note. Okay, do take note. As we can see, support has not really no change so far. So we still have very good space. So at this point here, there will be some turbulence area here. Okay, so when the price comes down here, then we may see some turbulence area around this level, and then the price will start to hover around. Okay, so yeah, pound franc. Okay, we can see. All right, that looks pretty okay. All right, so it seems like we can actually take note of this pound franc. Okay. Yeah, all right. So I'm going to put pound franc into my watch list as well. Okay. Okay, so let's see, what do we have? Hi, good morning, Wasim. Nice to see you here. Right, so pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen is very interesting here. We have bull market turning down once again and then went back into the bull, setting up higher support, respecting the support. So actually you can see today it looks like we have some retracement. It seems like the pound yen is looking for support before it continue to go for a buy. Okay, so let's see where is the support level. As I can see over at this point here, right, this one is actually quite clear cut over at this area here. So from here to here we have a support, and from this area, okay, we may look out for 37 pips of space. Okay, 37 pips of space. There's a good chance there. All right. So my target over here has been taken out. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, remove this rectangle. Okay, and I'm going to take note of this. Well, pound yen. Okay, let's move with this pound yen. Okay, and pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi. So pound kiwi, we are already in the bear. Okay, we are already in the bear. So right now in the bear, we are looking out for selling. So now today we are looking out for selling. So I want to look out where is the resistance. Exactly here. So we are now actually on the resistance, starting to sell down. Okay, starting to sell down. So over at this point here, okay, getting ready to sell down a level. Okay, where I'm going to take a look at. Well, looks like support has no change. Okay. Yeah, over here. So very good space down there for pound kiwi. Wow, 242. So I think that will actually still good. Okay, so for this, we can pay attention to it. All right. So that's for pound kiwi. Okay. So let's see. Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Now, pound dollar yesterday, it was a good move for the buyers. And after we captured the profits and it hits on the support, we left the market. Then after that, it went all the way up for 200 over pips. So currently, it seems like it will spin off and slipping downwards. Okay, so tentatively still in the range, going sideways, cannot make a decision. They don't have an idea whether should I go up or should I go down. So that is also one point that we need to take. Okay. So yeah, but the pound dollar looks actually pretty good today to look out for a support. Okay, the pound dollar is actually looking out for support before it continues to buying. So for pound dollar, okay, we can pay attention to it. All right. So I'm going to put pound dollar in with an asterisk, okay, to see if there's a chance for us to sell. All right. Okay, so for dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD over here, we can see that in the general trend, we are still moving towards the pool. Am I right? So buying is still possible. So for now, okay, we can take a look that buying is on the support, nearby the support here. So after that, if this resistance is going to hold it down, okay. If this resistance is going to hold it down, okay, so here as one, okay, then I think selling is quite possible. So now, is it a good time to sell off if we have 75 pips? I would say dollar CAD, yes, maybe have a chance, okay. So we can later on also take note of dollar CAD to see how the dollar CAD is like, okay. Right, so yep, I'm going to put dollar CAD into my watch list, okay. Okay, dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. Yep, dollar franc. Okay, over here. Dollar franc at this point here, we have a slip off. Okay, quite some time ago in October. After that, it comes back and now forming a downward trend once again, and it breaks the support. That is the key. So dollar franc is breaking the support, so we can look out for selling. Okay, so after it goes, it has a very big space down there. Okay. All right, let's take a look. Dollar yen. Well, dollar yen yesterday before the news. Okay, and it started to swing down. Okay, and over at this point, it breaks the support today. Okay, so we have broken the support today. Looks like we are going to look out for another support level. So what be it which way, okay, we will need to assess where is it. All right, so support actually coming in here. We are quite near to the support. Okay, so let's see. For here to here, we have about 45 pips of space. Okay, for selling for dollar yen, I think today not bad. Okay, but importantly is to wait for a retracement. Okay, to sell from the high, the low, but we don't want to sell from the low and look out for a lower low. Okay, so that is not very safe. Okay, so let's move on. Well, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin looking out for a buy. Okay, look, Bitcoin looking out for a buy, but it's a short-term buy. Okay, so don't expect too much. Don't expect the price will move to 69,000. Okay, which is quite not possible right now. Okay, so it's actually looking for support before it's starting to buy. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Well, for the gold. Well, for the gold, yes, yesterday we have achieved our 1784. I think we break through, and it hits into my 1804. 1804. So it's into my 1804 here, where I plot it here as my target. So I hope some of you who are trading a gold, you will manage to get some profits. Okay, but for today, are we still going for the buy? Tentatively, I would say yes, a short-term one. If not, okay, then it will have to wait for the dollar yen to actually come down. Okay, sorry, not dollar yen, sorry, gold. Okay, the gold 1804 over here. Okay, probably maybe tracing downwards for looking out for support. Right, so the goal over here, 1804 has already achieved. So will it actually break this level to go higher up? Yes, maybe there may be a chance, because right now the trend is actually going on for the buying for the gold, because I think many people are afraid of the crash, so there are a lot of money pumping into the gold for some hedging. All right. Okay, so yep, I think that should be all for today. Right now, okay, let's take a look at what do we have for our session over here. All right. Okay, let's take a look. Yep. And once again, right. And let's see. We are going to look up for Aussie Yen, Aussie Kiwi, Euro Yen, Euro Kiwi, Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound Franc, Pound Yen, Pound Kiwi, Pound Dollar, Dollar CAD, Dollar Franc, Dollar Yen. Wow, there are so many currency pairs. Okay. Well, so yeah. Anyway, later on when we come into the live session, then we will discuss in details for each of them to see how it goes. All right, before we actually take action. All right, so guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are Mandarin speaking, you are Chinese, no worries. OK， 你还是可以用中文发问题给我，我还是会回复你的。OK，all right。还是会用中文回复你 ，OK， so no worries about that. OK, so just come in. Alright, see you in 2 hours time. So do remember to smash the like button for me right now. OK, to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video. Right, thank you so much, guys, and I shall see you later.